Hello and welcome to our channel. Onions are a common ingredient in our everyday cooking, but did you know that they have some amazing properties and a rich history? In this video, we will explore 10 amazing facts about onions that you never knew. Fact 1. Onions belong to the allium family. Onions are part of the allium family, which includes garlic, shallots, and chives. Alliums have a distinct flavor and aroma and are used in many cuisines worldwide. Fact 2. Onions have a rich history. Onions have been cultivated for over 5,000 years and were a staple of the ancient Egyptian diet. They were also used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including headaches and sore throats. Fact 3. Onions come in different colors. Onions come in a variety of colors, including white, yellow, and red. Each color has a slightly different flavor profile and is used for different dishes. Fact 4. Onions are a good source of nutrients. Onions are packed with antioxidants and are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. They also contain sulfur compounds that have various health benefits. Fact 5. Onions can be stored for a long time. Onions can be stored in a cool, dry place for several weeks or in the refrigerator for up to several months. This makes them a convenient ingredient to have on hand. Fact 6. Onions are versatile. Onions are a versatile ingredient and can be used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, sauces, and salads. They can also be caramelized or sautéed to bring out their natural sweetness. Fact 7. Onion powder and onion flakes are popular seasonings. Onion powder and onion flakes are commonly used as a seasoning in spice blends, dry rubs, and marinades. They add flavor and aroma to many dishes. Fact 8. Onions can reduce inflammation. Onions contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. This makes them a great ingredient for people with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Fact 9. Onions can improve heart health. Onions contain compounds that can improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Fact 10. Onions can improve digestion. Onions contain a type of dietary fiber called inulin, which can improve digestion and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about onions that you never knew. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.